Hey guys, welcome to Data Studios. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account from mobile. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go in settings, then you need to scroll down, and here we can see the option name sync, and you need to click that, and here we go. So once you here, you can say that the option name Google, and you need to click that option, and here we can see 3 emails, but in here I'm going to delete the Gmail marvelous619@gmail.com, and you need to click that Gmail, and in the bottom you can see 3 mark option, and you need to tap that, and here we can see remove account. You need to tap that, and here it says removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So you need to tap that remove account. So as you can see, the Gmail has deleted successfully. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe to our channel. Like the thumbs up and don't forget to share with your buddy.